In this video, we review 4 popular rice cookers that make it easy to cook rice in the kitchen. Our first product, BLACK+DECKER 16-cup rice cooker. This appliance makes cooking rice much easier and more practical. With a capacity of 8 cups of uncooked rice, you can get 16 cups of cooked rice. This is a great feature for large family meals. But don't worry, it also works smoothly when you need to cook a smaller amount of rice. One of the best features is the steam basket. This makes it easy to prepare side dishes such as healthy vegetables or fish. The removable non-stick bowl also makes cleaning a breeze. But what if you want to serve the food long after you have prepared it? The automatic keep warm function keeps the rice fresh. BLACK+DECKER 16-cup rice cooker. We have prepared the positive and negative evaluations of the users for you. Dash Mini Rice Cooker, a compact and functional option. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker is designed for individual meals or small portions with a 2-cup capacity. But don't be fooled, this device doesn't just cook rice. You can also prepare a variety of foods such as oatmeal, pasta, and soups. This appliance allows you to prepare your meals in less than 20 minutes and makes cleaning very practical. Its compact design saves space in small kitchens or when traveling, making it easy to use. Dash Mini Rice Cooker. We have prepared for you the positive and negative evaluations of the users. COMFEE Compact Rice Cooker. With its 6-in-1 function, this appliance truly symbolizes versatility in the kitchen. You can cook white rice, brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, and much more in one appliance. The digital panel and LED display make it incredibly easy to use. The removable non-stick bowl is dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel housing makes cleaning very easy. It also does not compromise on safety thanks to its overheat protection and BPA-free material. COMFEE Compact Rice Cooker. We have prepared for you the positive and negative evaluations of the users. Elite Gourmet ERC2010B Electric Rice Cooker. Elite Gourmet is a model that offers durability and longevity. Its surgical-grade 304 stainless steel pot offers both durability and easy cleaning. With this appliance, you can get 10 cups of cooked rice from 5 cups of uncooked rice. The automatic keep warm function keeps your meals fresh for a long time, while the drip tray on the lid provides practicality. And you get great results for both soups and oatmeal. Elite Gourmet ERC2010B Electric Rice Cooker. We have prepared the positive and negative evaluations of the users for you. Aroma Digital Rice Cooker ARC91 for SBD. This appliance perfectly cooks 4 cups of uncooked rice, 8 cups of cooked rice. Thanks to its digital controls, it is possible to select the desired setting with just a few touches. It offers options such as white rice, brown rice, steaming and quick rice, and with the steam tray provided, you can steam your vegetables or meat at the same time. Thus, it is very easy to prepare a healthy and delicious meal. Thanks to Logic technology, the internal temperature of your rice is automatically controlled. In this way, you get a fluffy and delicious result every time. When the cooking process is finished, it switches to automatic keep warm mode, so your food is always ready to serve. Finally, with the 15-hour delay timer, you can cook your meals whenever you want. Moreover, the rice measuring cup and special recipes that come with it will help you in the kitchen. Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. ARC91 for SBD. We have prepared the positive and negative evaluations of the users for you. Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cook. Now let's get to know the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker. This appliance has a capacity of 14 cups of cooked rice and is very versatile. Whether you want to prepare rice or hot cereals, this appliance meets your every need. One of its most notable features is the 2-in-1 rice rinsing or steaming basket. If you want to rinse your rice before cooking, you can avoid lumps with this function. It also has 6 different settings. You Can easily choose any option from white rice to fast rice. Another great feature is the possibility of cooking in one pot. While cooking your rice, you can steam vegetables or seafood at the same time. This saves time and makes for delicious meals. Plus, with the delayed start feature, you can program your meal up to 11 hours in advance. When cooking is complete, it automatically switches to the warm setting, meaning your food is always ready to serve. Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cook, we have prepared the positive and negative evaluations of the users for you. This comparison table, which clearly reveals the features of rice cookers, will help you choose the product you want to buy. Common features: 1. Keep warm function. All models maintain the temperature of the rice after cooking. 2. Non-stick inner pot, easy to clean and prevent sticking. 3. Multiple cooking functions. Options for various types of rice and steaming. 4. User-friendly design, simple controls and indicators. 5. Compact options, suitable for small kitchens and storage. 6. Lightweight construction, easy to use and portable. This video explains the technical features and usage details of each model. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.